The Ministry of Transportation is planning to undertake a major widening of the Queen Elizabeth Way from east of Trafalgar Road to east of 3rd Line in Oakville. Previous studies recommended that this section of the QEW be widened from 6 to 8 lanes to address traffic congestion on this busy freeway. Alternatives for widening the existing bridge over 16 Mile Creek were also examined, considering impacts to the residential community on the north side of the QEW and the cemetery on the south side. You are about to see a computer-generated video showing the preferred alternative for widening of the QEW. We start the video at Trafalgar Road and move in a westerly direction. This view shows the Trafalgar Road interchange. Oakville Place Shopping Center is on the right. As the camera begins to move, you will see the existing 6-lane QEW in the top half of the screen and the new 8-lane QEW in the bottom half of the screen. The existing Trafalgar Road interchange can accommodate 8 lanes on the QEW, so this interchange will need only some minor relocation of the ramps. As we pass by the Oakville Place Shopping Center, you see the noise barrier on the north side to reduce traffic noise for the residents of this area. To reduce impacts on the St. Mary's Cemetery, all of the new lanes of QEW will be built on the north side of the existing bridge. For this reason, the QEW will need to shift northerly and will impact the subdivision. You will see the North Service Road will displace several homes in this area. More details on this are shown later in this video. Let's pause as we approach 16 Mile Creek. The new bridge over 16 Mile Creek will include extra width to carry all existing 6 lanes of QEW while the existing bridge is rehabilitated. You will see the extra deck support on the north side of the new deck, which will allow this bridge to carry a total of 8 lanes. Additional deck can be added in the future, allowing all lanes of QEW to be detoured onto this bridge when the existing bridge is at the end of its lifespan and must be replaced. This forward-looking plan will save construction costs now and ensure that all lanes can remain open during future construction phases. We now approach the Dorval Drive and Kerr Street exits. Access to Kerr Street will be maintained, but will be modified to improve safety. The bridge already accommodates 8 lanes of QEW. The service roads on either side of QEW serve the industrial and commercial areas. Some parts of the service roads will require relocation, but most sections of service road will remain in their existing location. We now approach the 4th Line underpass. This bridge will be removed by this project, and a new one will be constructed by the town of Oakville. There are existing truck inspection stations on either side of the QEW. These stations will remain, and pavement will be resurfaced as required. In this area, the widening will not affect the service roads. We're now approaching the 3rd Line interchange. This interchange is currently under construction and is not part of this project. Construction is to be completed in 2005. The existing interchange has 3rd Line going under the QEW, but the current construction will result in 3rd Line going over the QEW. We turn around at this location and lower our flying height as we proceed along the Toronto-bound lanes. We are flying above the South Service Road, which is not affected by this widening project. Note the new median barrier. This is a high-performance Ontario tall wall barrier system which is being installed to improve safety. Note also the new high-mast lighting system and how the barrier flares out to enhance the protection of the light standards. You see the truck exiting the QEW, the truck station. Truck inspection stations are used to ensure that trucks adhere to all safety requirements. Improvements are being considered to 4th Line, from the North Service Road to Spears Road by the town of Oakville, and this video shows a ghost of what the new bridge might look like. In this area there are no homes, so no noise barrier is proposed. As we approach the Dorval interchange, you can see that no changes to Dorval Drive are proposed as part of this project. As we cross over Dorval Drive, you can see the Kerr Street exit at the top of the screen splitting off the Dorval Drive ramp. The relocation of the Kerr Street ramp will improve safety. The bridge over 16 Mile Creek was originally completed in 1936 to 4 lanes and widened to 6 lanes in 1960. The interesting arch pattern gives the bridge its heritage value. The pedestrian pathway under both bridges will be maintained in the future. Note the light standards will replicate the original lighting standards first placed on parts of the QEW in the 1930s. The letters ER stand for Elizabeth Regina, the late Queen Mother for whom this highway was named. Kerr Street will pass under the new bridge. As we proceed toward Trafalgar Road, we will show the impact of the widening of QEW on the residential subdivision. The first row of homes adjacent to the North Service Road will have to be removed between Kent Avenue and 6th Line. The existing noise barrier will be relocated to the north, but will be between the Service Road and the QEW. The video now shows the view from several homes in both the existing view and the post-construction view. There are several options to help further mitigate impacts to the remaining homes in the area. The option shown in this video includes a land berm with newly planted vegetation. Other options could include trees and other vegetation, but with no landscaping berm. Additional consultation with the local community will be held to finalize the landscaping plan. As we proceed back to Trafalgar Road, our video is over. Thank you for watching.